Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you black and gold jewel nail art design step by step guide. If you are looking a great way to dress up your nails, this elegant design is perfect for any event. Step number 1 is to start by painting your nails with a black nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and gold nail polish. Create a crisscross pattern on the ring finger and thumbnails. Step number 3 is working on one nail at a time. Apply a clear nail polish. Step number 4 is carefully use a dotting tool or pair of tweezers to place a rhinestone decal in the upper middle of each nail except the ring finger and thumb nails. Be sure to do this before the clear nail polish dries, as the nail polish acts as the adhesive. Step number 5, on the ring finger and thumbnails, carefully use a dotting tool or pair of tweezers to place the rhinestone decal at the center of the nails. Step number 6 is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful design is ready. For spring and summer nail colors, our brains often go right to pastels and bold reds, and rightly so, as those are warm weather classics. For fall and winter, we have a different color scheme in mind, which is a little less traditional and a bit more opulent of the season. This seasons we are painting our nails a rich and luxurious combination of black and gold. It's a classically chic look that we have been seeing all over Instagram and as the salon. Think of it as a much needed change as the temperatures drop and maybe even as they rise, as some of these designs are so inspiring that you will want to embrace them year round. Take a scroll through some fantastic designs of black and white rhinestones. Number one design is abstract with gold studs, delicate black wire nails paired with a single studded gold accent nail are perfect for people who curve something unexpected and unique. Thank you very much for watching my today's video. If you like, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any query about this design, please comment me below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye.